सोल, आत्मा। आत्मा क्या है? ये तो हमने बहुत बार समझा है, अभी दोबारा समझ लेते हैं. You are a soul with a physical body and not a physical body with a soul. You are a spiritual being having a physical experience. You are not a physical body trying to have a spiritual experience. And this is the biggest fault of entire humanity. हम स्पिरिचुअल सर्च पे चलते हैं. जिज्ञासु लोग, सीकर्स कहाँ जाते हैं? वी आर सर्चिंग फॉर स्पिरिचुअलिटी. हम आध्यात्मिकता ढूंढते फिरते हैं. हम आध्यात्मिक बनना चाहते हैं. यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी. दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स दैट वी डू. The whole searching has become an excellent market. We are just searching and searching and searching. We forget one important thing, that we are what we are searching. We are spiritual. Yes, you are the spirit, you are the soul, and you, the soul, have a physical body. That is the absolute truth. हम कौन है? हम आत्मा है. Yes, और हम आत्मा इस शरीर में कुछ समझने के लिए, सीखने के लिए आए हैं. वो अलग बात है कि हम जो सीख रहे हैं वो आत्मा तक पहुंचता है, ठीक है. लेकिन जो हमारा जो शुरुआत है ना, जो हमारा डेफिनेशन है ना, कि हम स्पिरिचुअलिटी ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो गलत है. You are a soul with a physical body and not a physical body with a soul. That is the first thing that we have to understand. The soul is inside and outside of the body. I repeat, the soul is inside and outside of the body. ये आत्मा इन शरीरों के अंदर भी है और बाहर भी है. The soul is basically light traveling at high speed in all directions. The soul is inside and outside of the body. Do you understand my point? आत्मा जो है इन शरीरों के अंदर भी है और बाहर भी है. आत्मा क्या है? रोशनी है. It is infinite light. And it can travel at a very high speed in all directions. Okay, it is light and light travels in all directions. If it is traveling at a high speed, it has to have high frequency. That is what you have to understand. इसीलिए हम पहले से बात करते जा रहे हैं कि अपना लोअर फ्रीक्वेंसी को छोड़ो और हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी के तरफ जाते जाओ, जाते जाओ, जाते जाओ, तो वो ढूंढ लोगे जिसको आप ढूंढने की कोशिश बाहर कर रहे हो. You will gain what you have to gain as you eliminate the lower frequencies and shift yourself to the higher frequencies. You will gain the understanding of the soul that you actually are. What I am actually, I will gain its understanding if I can only eliminate my lower frequencies and shift myself to a higher frequency. The soul is the gateway to the heaven within you. आत्मा हमारे अंदर जन्नत तक पहुंचने का रास्ता है. Like a lotus flower growing out of the water and the mud, the Jivatma, the incarnated soul, is like a flower reaching towards the sun or towards our own higher soul. ये जीवात्मा दुनिया के कीचड़ से खिल के अपने खुद के आत्मा तक पहुंचने की कोशिश कर रहा है. You are the Jivatma, right? And the Atma. You, the Jivatma, is pulled down by the miseries, by the 150 frequencies which inhabit your mind, which is like muddy water. You are pulled down and cannot see the light of the sun or the soul. So you will have to clean and clean and clean this muddy water, and you have to push your way up. The world will be as it is, but you have to rise up from the world like a lotus rises up from the muddy water, and the water no longer sticks to it. When you raise your frequency to such a high degree that your crown chakra opens up, you no longer stick to the unnecessary opinions and the problem of the chitta and move into the buddhi chitta. When you move yourself into the buddhi chitta, leaving behind the mud or the unnecessary thought forms of the chitta, you will be able to see the sun within you, which is the higher soul. The person, yes, you will be able to reach the sun. Yes, सूरज जो आपके अंदर ही है, उस तक पहुंचने के लिए हमें अपना क्राउन चक्रा खोलना है. In short, yes. So within you, the inverted tree with a spiritual root upward, rooted to the higher soul and ultimately rooted to God. See, we are all supposed to be spiritual trees. And जैसे श्री कृष्ण बोलते हैं, ये पेड़ जो है ये उल्टा है. इस पेड़ का जड़ नीचे नहीं है, ऊपर है. We are all inverted trees. हम ये जो शरीर देख रहे हैं, ये शरीर और इसके वृत्तियां, ये मन और इसकी वृत्तियां पेड़ के पत्तियां जैसे हैं. हेलो. The mind and its various ups and downs are like the leaves of a tree which is constantly shaking in the breeze and the air. Falling and new leaves are being generated. You are the inverted tree. You have to go towards your own spiritual root and root to the higher soul, and ultimately you need to root to God. So that is what Lord Krishna says. We are all rooted to the unknown. The tree of human life is an upward, upside down tree. The quality of the development of the soul is reflected in the vehicle. Now listen to this carefully. You see, the soul also has a development. We have already understood this. कुछ लोग 500 जन्म लिए होंगे, तो इन 500 जन्म में हुआ क्या? What happened in these 500 births? Many people would have taken 400 births, 500 births, 600 births. What happened during these 500, 600 births? The experiences of the Jivatma have been accumulated by the Atma, and the Atma has progressed into becoming a Mahatma. So the quality of the soul is being constantly upgraded through each incarnation of the Jivatma. The quality of the soul is being upgraded through each incarnation of the Jivatma. Are you clearly listening to me? The quality of your soul, which soul? Higher soul, is being constantly upgraded with each incarnation of the Jivatma. Okay? So, as the quality of the soul is being upgraded, the quality of the development of the soul is reflected in the vehicle. It is seen in the kind of virtues which are followed by the vehicle or the Jivatma. जीवात्मा कितना क्या वर्च्यूज फॉलो करता है, कितना चरित्र निर्माण हुआ है, कितना उन्नति किया हुआ आत्मा होगा, उसकी प्रतिबिंब उसके जीवात्मा के करतूत पे दिखते हैं. The actions that the Jivatma does over here, whether it cheats, whether it lies, whether it misleads, or whether it helps, whether it is compassionate, what does the Jivatma do here? What attracts the Jivatma on this Mother Earth is actually determined by what is the quality of the soul. Okay? So, the soul, think of the soul as being fluidic and radiatory in nature. The soul Think of the soul as being fluidic and radiatory in nature. जो आत्मा है, ये भी हमने सोल क्लास में देखा है, पानी जैसे बहता है और आपके हर कण कण के अंदर है और रोशनी जैसे फैलता है. The Atma spreads far and wide like light and is absorbed into you like water.